It speaks to adaptability, to resource management under extreme stress. But the story doesn't end there. Time and nature worked on these abandoned hearths. The relentless mixing by worms and roots, the fracturing caused by freeze-thaw cycles, the slow creep of soil down slopes, all subtly altered the evidence. Deciphering this requires painstaking science, understanding how the archaeological record itself is a dynamic, changing entity. What we see today is the original fire signature, overprinted by millennia of natural processes.